Typing is an essential after dictation. Read dictation materials. Subscribe to get contents via mail. Purchase shorthand journals and more.
This revision petition is filed under Section 397, read with Section 401 of the Code of Criminal Procedure against the judgment and order dated 12/12/2007 passed by the Learned Session Judge, Dibrugarh, in Criminal Appeal Number 22/3/2007, dismissing the criminal appeal and upholding the judgment and order dated 24/8/2007 passed by Learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Dibrugarh, in CR case number 2144C/1991, convicting the accused petitioner under Section 16, read with Section 7 of the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954, bracket start, hereinafter referred to as the PFA Act, bracket close, and sentencing him to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 6 months and to pay a fine of ₹1,000 in default, to suffer further rigorous imprisonment for 2 months. I have heard Mr. B.M. Choudhury, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of accused petitioner, and Mr. N.J. Datta, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor, Assam. The facts leading to the case is that on 8/8/1991, Sri B.N. Pathak, Food Inspector, Dibrugarh, inspected the farm of M.S. Ranjit Datta, situated at New Market, Dibrugarh. Sri Datta was the owner of the farm. The food inspector purchased 450 grams of turmeric powder by paying price to one Ashish Datta, who was the salesman of the said farm. The powder was kept in the farm for sale for human consumption. The food inspector, after observing all required formalities, sent the sample of turmeric powder for analysis to the public analysts, and the report of the public analysts was to the effect that the turmeric powder, sample of which was examined by him, was adulterated, being artificially colored with lead chromate, which is not permissible to be used in turmeric powder. Thereafter, as per procedure laid down under the PFA Act, he issued notice under Section 13(2) of the PFA Act. It deserves a mention here that at the time of purchase of the sample from the accused petitioner, notice under Form 6 was issued, which was also acknowledged by the vendor. After obtaining necessary sanction, prosecution was launched against the present accused petitioner and another, who has not faced this trial, as he was found absconding. The issue for determination before the trial court was whether the accused petitioner, Ashish Datta, sold the adulterated turmeric powder to the food inspector, PW1, which he kept for sale in his farm for human consumption. To substantiate the accusation, the prosecution examined 2 witnesses. PW1, Sri B.N. Pathak, is the food inspector, and PW2, Sri Birendranath Badua, is the witness to the Form 6 notice. The defense examined the accused petitioner himself. In his statement under Section 313 of the CRPC, the accused petitioner is found to have taken the plea that the owner of the farm is Ranjit Datta and he is the brother of the owner, and in the absence of the owner, he was there in the farm for some time, as claimed. He even refused to sell the turmeric powder to the food inspector, but he was insisted to sell, and accordingly he sold the same.